Lunch is being served on the boat. This is rice. You have the meal for 100 rupees. This is rice. This is fish. What is this called, madam? Avial. And this is? Cabbage. And this is beetroot. This is fish curry. And if you want, there's an extra piece of fish. And this is dal. Right? Curd. And sambar. And madam, what is that? Same. You can see the items are fresh, absolutely fresh and extremely delicious. You can have lunch with an iconic view of the backwaters in Kerala. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now it's time for me to deep dive into some authentic Malabar cuisine, authentic Kerala. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Cheers and God bless.